Alright guys, I just want to say before the video starts, I met Dave Ramsey today at work. It was incredible. I guess he actually works at the job site. Who knew? But, yeah, I got a picture, so I'll throw that in there. And then, I'll carry on to the rest of the video. But yeah, he's a big inspiration, one of my role models, and my financial savior. So, it was a pretty great honor to see him at work today. So, yeah. Alright. See you. Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. As you can see, I'm home and I want to just tell you right off the bat, I didn't record much today at work. People were still working as I left. So I recorded a few seconds. The first part is what I worked on the second half of the day, which was doing some MC wire, just doing some of the lighting, taking the power from switch box to switch box, and then running a switch leg box up like 8 feet to the ceiling where all the lights will plug into and tie together once the drop ceiling is in. And then the other video is, if you remember, I think it was Friday, where I put the pipes above the ceiling, and then today I connected them to the pipes coming down out of the roof. So you'll see that one of them has a box and the other one just went straight through. And then also got the Corvette wheel back rim and tire, so got that mounted back up, so you'll see that, and whatever else I threw in the video, I'm not sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, guys, or I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for stopping by again. So I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so you gave me the advice to use some gloves, so I took your advice and didn't use it. Yeah, you get little pieces of metal shards in your hand every once in a while, but it's not too bad. But I probably should start using gloves just for the fact of cleaning my hands. I'm in the Dollar Tree store right now just to wash my hands. I'm gonna get my friend a birthday card, but yeah, so anyways, that's what happens if you don't wear gloves and you use MC. I did a bunch of MC today. Not bad, a little stained. Well, pretty stained, but yep. Alright guys, we got the new tire on. They stole one of my caps. They stole one of my gray caps. So I switched them all out for these chrome ones. So, I don't know, whatever it is, what it is, but here's the old rim right here. So I'm not sure exactly how it's bent. Let's see. I don't know. Anyways. Here she is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like, and if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. Catch you back tomorrow, and hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. God bless. See you later. Peace out.